In the nearly 3 decades since the conclusion of X-Men, the animated series, Marvel's bigger X-Men brand has undergone significant change. The stories of all the mutants Charles Xavier left behind when he left Earth to travel to the Shi'ar homeworld will be continued in the animated series conclusion, X-Men 97. All of Xavier's former students are evidently still in shock over the passing of their cherished instructor in the most recent teaser. It isn't obvious from the trailer what sorts of new treats Cyclops, Ray Chase, Jean Grey, Jennifer Hale, Rogue, Lenore Zan, Beast, George Buza, Jubilee, Holly Chu, Storm, Allison Seeley-Smith, Wolverine, Cal Dodd, and Gambit, AJ Locascio, will face. However, it appears that world leaders may have a new strategy for how to deal with mutant terrorism, based on shots of Magneto, Matthew Watterson, standing in front of the UN building, presumably involving the deployment of additional Sentinels. Additional information suggests that X-Men 97 delves into comic book plots that the original 90s cartoon never quite managed to, such as fleeting glimpses of a pregnant Jean and an edition of the Daily Bugle with newer mutants like Dust. X-Men 97 revisits the iconic era of the 1990s as the X-Men, a band of mutants who use their uncanny gifts to protect a world that hates and fears them, are challenged like never before, forced to face a dangerous and unexpected new future, states the official synopsis for the series.